Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, welcome to Stephanie GTV, where I have beauty hauls, lifestyle, some commentary, and yeah, some DIYs on this channel. A little of everything, okay? So, this is going to be a haul, a mini haul from Target and the Dollar Tree. And it's like makeup, beauty, skincare, hair, things like that, right? So this is from Target, and I got this Edge gel. Now, this is the second time I've used this, y'all, and it's amazing. It is amazing, really, really nice. My hairdresser recommended it to me, and it says infuses with biotin and encourages growth. So around your hairline, this gel is great. So, and it was like $8 or $7, something like that, like $7 for this little bitty jar. That's a 2-ounce jar. I wish they made a bigger one. Maybe they do, I just haven't seen it. But I got it at Target, okay? So and it smells really, really good, right? So it's clear. It's not real, gunky or anything. It smells great. It really is. So I'm loving using this, okay, for my hairline. It keeps my hairline smooth and everything. So strengthening edge gel. So I love that, right? Love that. So I did see this new to me. It might, I don't know. It's new to me. I had never seen it before, y'all. So this new Revolution by Makeup Revolution London. I love this brand. It's my favorite, one of my favorite sort of drugstore brands of makeup. And this is one of the Forever Flawless shadow palettes. And the name of this one is called Allure. I just love the decoration. It looks like a marble painting. That's what kind of drew me to it because I am an artist. So I love beautiful colors like this, you know. So it's called Allure. Okay, and let me show you the shades. It's really, really beautiful. Okay, I have some other Revolution palettes I got from like TJ Maxx and I think Ross and someplace else, and I will show those in a separate video. So I end up getting like four, again, 4 new palettes. Wait till I show you the stuff I got from Dollar Tree, y'all. But anyway, here is the Allure palette. It's absolutely beautiful. They're rich, beautiful shades. Okay, just absolutely gorgeous. Look at this one. Let's test this one, y'all. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh, nice and pigmented. I love that. Okay. I like the softness of some of these. Like, that's just beautiful. So these are gorgeous, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shades. Love. All right. So, and this palette, y'all, was $15 at Target. I know, I know. I probably should have waited till I seen it at TJ Maxx, but I wasn't sure how new it was. So I wasn't, I was like, oh, it may come out in 6 months, and I wanted it now. So I did overpay for this, but I love it. All right. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now let me show you the stuff I grabbed at Dollar Tree. All right, so here's some beauty items that I grabbed at the Dollar Tree. I grabbed this sort of contour stick in Deep. It's by LA Colors. All right. So I want to try this. Okay. So got that. Yeah, LA Colors. I like some of this stuff. It says blendable shimmer formula. All right. So that should be fun to try. And then I got this tinted rose oil lip balm. Okay. I don't know. I've heard some things, pretty good things about this. Let's open this up and see what it looks like and smells like, y'all. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. It's nice. I like it. I like it. All right, so that's a good one, y'all. The tinted what is it? Tinted rose lip balm, rose oil lip balm. Oh, I actually like it. I'll be putting it in my bag. Okay, so we like that. Let's throw that away. And then let's see. I got this highlighter, this loose highlighter. The girls have been talking about this. You know, this what brand is this? See, I don't know, Cody Airspun loose face highlighter. They say it's really good. I don't know. I have highlighters. I have some from Revolution and a few other brands. So I like it. We'll see here. It looks pretty. I have to open it here. All right, so that's what it looks like. And then I think I don't know what color this is. It looks pretty though. Let's see. Let's try it and see here. Oh, it comes with a little powder, little puff here, little powder puff. And it looks like that, I guess. When you punch the holes in it. Oh, I think that's gonna be pretty, y'all. I think that's gonna be pretty. I'll probably end up dusting it on with a brush. But hey, for $1.25, y'all, loose face highlighter. Oh, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and see. Okay, let's try it and see. Just open things up and looking at it now. The next things that I grabbed was just these two cute makeup bags. I'm gonna give one of these to my mom. Hope she's not watching, but it's really cute. I like these little Dollar Tree makeup bags. They're cute and they're kind of roomy. You know, so yeah, really, really cute. They have different sizes. I like this size. They have some smaller ones too. Not in this color, but I like this color the best. Again, looks like paintbrush strokes. So y'all know I love that. All right, so I got that. Now, here is unisex 1. Okay, I had 2 and 3 that I showed in the previous video. This is number 1. Apparently this is a good dupe for the Jeffree Star palette. One of his alien palettes or something like that. So I've been reading. I don't have any Jeffree Star, but I hear this is a really good dupe for that. So this is number 1 and it's gorgeous. Like, look at this. These colors are so beautiful, y'all. Okay, look at that. Just so pretty. So I had 2 and 3 before, and this is number 1. I was so happy to find number 1. Just really beautiful. Here, let's try this one. Let's see. Okay. Good. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Oh, I like those. Very, very nice. Wow. Nice and pigmented, y'all. Oh, I messed that one up. So that one's mine, clearly. But I like these a lot. For $1.25, y'all. And look at this mirror. So beautiful. So, and I looked these up, y'all. I think these were originally when they came out was like $30. $35, something like that. So that's a good deal for these. All right. I'm gonna just leave that out because I'm gonna put it in my makeup thing, put it with this other one here. And then this one is unisex 5. I wasn't sure about this one, y'all. I don't know. I thought, well, okay, it's $1.25, so why not? Because I could use some of the colors, but it really isn't my color scheme. So, but it's pretty, right? It's really, really pretty as well. It has some pretty colors in it as well. Like, I'm not really a fan. Well, I mean, I guess if you mix and match, Let's just try this pink here. All right. Very pretty. Let's do that. Okay. All right. It's a little, a little light in the shorts, but it's pretty. So it's good for layering, I guess. For $1.25, we're going to take it. We're going to try it, right? Just beautiful. Again, look at this pretty mirror, y'all. So you can see my camera here and me and my mug. So just beautiful palette. Just so, so pretty. So I love that. All right. Love that. All right. Now that's all from Dollar Tree. So definitely subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm going to have some different things on this channel. Some, a variety of different types of videos, not just makeup hauls and stuff like that. I'm going to put some other types of content up on here. So you definitely want to, stay tuned and be subscribed so you don't miss out on anything. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave it below and I'll answer and get back to you. All right. My link tree is down in the description. So if you want to see what I'm up to, you can check that out. All right. You can come over to my art channel if you want to see me make jewelry and do art and, all kinds of fun, make pretty things. All right. So yeah. Now this is just a small haul. I do have other hauls from, Ross, Ulta, and I got a big one from TJ Maxx. All right. So you definitely want to check those out. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one. Bye.